Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Medhasvi Commerce Classes. I think you people have done your paper well. Paper was little bit difficult, but that's okay, no need to worry. So let me discuss with the key answers of this question paper today. In the absence of partnership deed, profits and losses must be shared in equal proportion. The old profit sharing ratio among the Ramesh, Satish and Ravish were 2:2:1. The new profit sharing ratio of after Satish retirement is 3:2. The gain ratio they have asked, formula is gain ratio equals new share minus old share. So the answer you are going to get is 1:1. A company issued 2008% debentures of ₹100 each. What does 8% stands for? Rate of interest. Which of the following is not required to be prepared under the Companies Act? Fund flow. Fund flow statement is an internal. For internal purpose we will prepare. According to the Companies Act, it is not necessary. It is not required to prepare. Tangible assets of a company increased from 4 lakh to 5 lakh. What is the percentage of change? 25%. That is 5 lakh minus 4 lakh, which comes to 1 lakh. 1 lakh divided by 4 lakh, that is 25%. Goodwill is an intangible asset. Partner's loan is dash to the realization account, is not transferred to the realization account. Profit on forfeiture of shares is transferred to capital reserve account. Analysis and interpretation are complementary to each other. Cash flow statement also helps in balancing the cash flow. Here transferred is not the answer. Match the following: right of a new partner, share in the future profit. Common seal, official signature of the company. Redemption of debenture, discharge of liability. Liquidity ratio, short term in nature. Cash flow statement prepared according to AS3. This AS1 is totally deals with the accounting policies, what you have done. State any one content of the partnership deed. What are the contents of the partnership deed? That is, you can write any one: name of the firm, name of the partner, name and addresses of the partner, anyone. Deceased partner may be paid in one lump sum. Name of firm, partner, interest on capital, interest on this one, anything. Deceased partner may be paid in one installment or lump sum with interest. It is true. Mention any one way of dissolution of partnership firm. So dissolution of partnership firm can be happen, compulsory dissolution when the business has become illegal. Compulsory dissolution you can do it, or dissolution by court. Dissolution by court, compulsory dissolution, dissolution by mutual agreement, anything. Give an example for non-current liabilities: debentures, long-term borrowings, etc. RONW, return on net worth. Return on net worth. Return on net worth. Next, state any two differences. Differences I think you people would have written. Give the journal entry when the retiring partner is paid cash in full. When the retiring partner is paid cash in full, retiring partner's capital account debited to cash account. Retiring partner's capital account. Retiring partner's capital account debited to cash account. Two categories of share capital: authorized capital, called up capital, paid up capital. All. Two objectives of financial, I think you have written. Two examples of cash flow from operating activity, that is purchase of goods and services, sale of goods and services, salary paid, rent paid, anything you can write. Varun and Tarun were partners in a firm sharing. They have given the guarantee of profit. Guarantee of profit, I think you people would have written the guarantee of profit. That is Varun, you are going to get 40,000. Varun, you are going to get 40,000. Tarun, you used to get 25,000. And for Kiran, it is 25,000. Total which comes to 90,000. Deficit is 10,000. Deficit is 10,000. How come this 10,000? This 90,000 into 1 by 6, 90,000 into 1 by 6, which comes to 15,000, but you have agreed to pay the 25,000, so 10,000 is the deficit. So this 10,000 is paid equally. They have given equally, they are giving. So 5,000 will be paid by Varun, 5,000 will be paid by Tarun. Next, Rajesh and Rakesh are partners. This is sacrifice ratio. You used to get 3:1 is the answer. And death of a partner, the answer is you used to get 32,100. 32,100, and they have asked you executor's account. Prepare a statement of profit and loss. Statement of profit and loss, you would have got the answer as 13,300 is the answer for this. 13,300. Cash flow, that is cash outflow, minus 3,05,000. Minus 3,05,000. Retirement, a revaluation account. Revaluation total is 13,000. 13,000. Profit is 7,500. Partners capital account. Total is you used to get 62,000, 42,000, 29,000. 62,000, 42,000, 29,000. Balance you would have got 60,500, 60,500, 40,500, 20,900 balance. And total, balance sheet total you would have got 1,65,500. 1,65,500 is the answer. Next, realization account. Realization account you would have got realization account total. Realization account total you would have got 2,93,600. Profit 1,600. Profit 1,600. Partners capital account total. Partners capital account total 80,800. 65,800. Balance 20,800. 39,200. Bank account total. Bank account 1,45,000. Shares total is 2,20,000 is the answer. This to be taken in 7th entry. This to be taken in 8th entry. This one redemption they have given. Problem was very simple. I think you people would have not practiced. Common size balance sheet total. $15,50,000. 15,50,000, 18,50,000. 18,50,000. Coming to this current ratio 1.6:1. Total asset to debt ratio 12:1. Fixed asset turnover ratio 2.5 times. Capital working capital turnover ratio 13.33 times. Operating profit ratio 80%. Book value per share rupees 13.6. These are the answers to your question paper which you have written today. Okay, and all the best. Prepare for your next economics exam. Thank you. Bye.